Let's take a trip over to Broadway at the beach and check out the status of that right there, the expansion to the Ripley's Aquarium. From the exterior, not much has changed since the last time I was here a few weeks ago. The exterior construction has kind of paused, but there's something interesting on the inside that I wanted to share. So let's go on inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They have put up a large construction wall on the inside of the building. And right there you go. There's the new exhibits, penguins. New residents waddling in soon. It's a very large wall. Takes up almost the entire side of the building, aside from the Pearl Harbor exhibit. Here's a little closer look there at those penguins. And there's a view from the floor of the building. So it's a large space that they're going to have as the entryway, it looks like. If you're familiar with the aquarium, the temporary exhibit is Pearl Harbor right now, and right next to this exhibit is where the new entrance will be to the penguins. Here's just some more shots of the penguins dancing around and doing their thing. I don't know when this exhibit is opening. If you know, comment down below. Or if you have any theories, just chat about it down in the comments. Let me know what you think.